7 ways to make crazy online money passively using ChatGPT. The internet has unlocked endless possibilities for earning money online. And now with AI tools like ChatGPT, creating streams of passive income has become simpler than ever. Want to make money while you sleep? In this video, I'll guide you through 7 powerful strategies to use ChatGPT to generate passive income. Whether you're starting fresh or looking to scale your current hustle, these methods are perfect for taking advantage of the AI revolution. Let's dive in. One of the easiest ways to create passive income using ChatGPT is by writing and selling ebooks. Don't worry if you're not a skilled writer. This is where AI comes to the rescue. ChatGPT can help you brainstorm topics, create content, and even format your ebook. For example, you can give ChatGPT prompts like write a beginner's guide to mindfulness meditation or create a step-by-step tutorial for starting an online business. The tool will provide draft content that you can tweak and publish. Platforms like Amazon Kindle Direct Publishing, KDP, make it easy to upload your ebook and earn royalties each time someone purchases it. Choose a niche that is popular but not overly competitive. This could be self-help, career tips, or even short fiction. Once published, your ebook can sell for months or even years, allowing you to earn money without any additional effort. If storytelling or curating ideas is your strength, blogging can be an excellent avenue for earning passive income. With ChatGPT, creating high-quality, search engine-optimized SEO blog posts becomes a breeze. Start by identifying a niche that interests you and attracts readers. Then, ask ChatGPT to write articles aligned with that niche. For example, write a blog post about 10 travel hacks for solo travelers, or write an article on the best personal finance tips. ChatGPT will draft engaging content that you can refine and post to your blog. Monetize your blog through Google AdSense or affiliate marketing. With affiliate links to recommended products or services, you can earn a commission every time someone makes a purchase through your blog. Over time, as your traffic grows, so will the passive income generated from ads and partnerships. Ever thought about sharing your expertise with the world? Online courses are an excellent way to make passive income, and ChatGPT can streamline the process. Start by identifying a topic you know well or are passionate about. Then use ChatGPT to outline your course structure. For example, you could ask it, create a 10-module course outline for learning graphic design. It will instantly provide a roadmap for your content. You can even ask it to produce scripts, lesson summaries, and quizzes. Once your course is ready, upload it to platforms like Udemy or Teachable. These platforms handle the marketing and logistics, ensuring that your course continues to generate revenue passively. Whether it's basic coding, crafting, or fitness routines, there's always an audience ready to learn from you. Businesses today crave efficiency, and ChatGPT can help you tap into this demand by developing custom chatbots. These chatbots can perform tasks like handling customer inquiries or automating appointment bookings. Here's how you can use this to make money. Offer your services to small or medium-sized businesses. Many of them need help with automation, but lack the tech know-how. You can create a chatbot powered by ChatGPT for these businesses, charging a subscription fee or one-time implementation cost for your service. For example, you could approach a local cafe and help them set up a chatbot that makes reservations on their website. Once the chatbot is running, little effort is needed on your part to maintain it. With the demand for automation growing, this is a scalable business idea that can provide consistent passive income. The rise of e-commerce has created a huge demand for digital templates, and with ChatGPT, designing and selling them has never been easier. Templates can include anything from resumes to social media kits, planners, or event invitations. Using ChatGPT, you can create engaging content that enhances your templates. For example, it can write compelling resume descriptions, catchy captions for social media calendars, or fill-in-the-blank event invites. Combine these with basic design tools like Canva to create templates. Once your templates are ready, sell them on platforms like Etsy or Gumroad. These sites allow you to list your products for a small fee and take a percentage of your sales. The best part? Once uploaded, your templates require no further work. Buyers can simply download and use them, creating a steady flow of passive income. Content creators are constantly searching for engaging scripts to power their YouTube or TikTok videos. With ChatGPT, you can step in to fulfill this demand and earn from it. ChatGPT can assist you in crafting scripts tailored for specific platforms. For instance, you could prompt it with something like, write a 60-second TikTok script on productivity hacks for students, or create a 5-minute YouTube script on the history of virtual reality. The result will often be a polished, engaging piece ready for use. Once you're confident in your script writing ability, offer your services on freelance platforms like Fiverr or Upwork. Alternatively, start your own YouTube or TikTok channel using AI-crafted scripts and earn ad revenue or sponsorship income as your content gains traction. Success may take time, but viral hits can lead to substantial passive income streams. Another lucrative method to make passive income with ChatGPT is by offering copywriting solutions for businesses. Many e-commerce stores and companies need help crafting compelling product descriptions, landing pages, or ad copy. And with ChatGPT, you can deliver high-quality content at scale. For example, you could use ChatGPT to draft SEO-optimized product descriptions. Your prompt might be, write a product description for eco-friendly bamboo cutlery that highlights its benefits. The AI generates a professional description that you can refine slightly before delivery. You can charge clients for these services on a per-project basis or retain them for ongoing contracts, ensuring steady cash flow. Partner directly with sellers on platforms like Shopify or Amazon to build lasting relationships and establish a repeat income source. By now, you've seen that making passive income using ChatGPT isn't just possible, it's incredibly achievable. To recap, here are the 7 strategies we discussed. Writing and selling ebooks. Blogging for passive income. Developing and selling online courses. Creating chatbot automation for businesses. Selling customizable digital templates. Writing scripts for viral content on social media. Offering premium copywriting services. With any of these methods, your first step is key. Take action. Decide which strategy feels the most accessible or exciting and dive in. Start small, refine your approach, and let ChatGPT do the heavy lifting. Passive income in the digital era is no longer a far-fetched dream. It's a reality that advanced AI tools have made easier than ever. So, are you ready to begin your journey towards financial freedom? Let me know in the comments which method you're most excited to try. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with those looking to explore the possibilities AI has to offer. See you in the next one.